USDJPY, tips for beginner traders on October 2nd US. Session Back Forecast USDJPY, tips for beginner traders on October 2nd US. Session trade breakdown and guidance on trading the premium article will be available in 000002.10.202510:07 p.m. The premium article will be available in 000002.10.202510:07 p.m. Trade breakdown and guidance on trading the Japanese yen. The test of the 147.04 price level in the first half of the day occurred when the MACD indicator had just begun moving downward from the zero line, confirming the correct entry point for selling the dollar. As a result, the pair declined toward the target level of 146.66. Today's US session is rich in macroeconomic reports that are the focus of investors seeking a clearer understanding of both the labor market, and fresh articles are available only to premium users. Read analytics in early access, getting information first. Get